Hello guys, it is Calvin here coming at you with a brand new fucking video. Alright, so first off, before you even get into this video, yes, I'm fucking spitting everywhere, but I hope y'all are having a fantastic, wonderful fucking day, alright? And I'm just glad to fucking record right now. And what I want you guys to do is smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn notifications on so you get my fucking notifications, you know? You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, hope y'all had a beautiful, fantastic, excellent, amazing Halloween night. Trick-or-treating, getting those good fucking candy bars, getting fat, eating all your fucking candy one night. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, what I'm doing today is, let's go out here. We're gonna go look at my doggies, you know, oh, we got this pretty girl. We have you so pretty. No, we got to go to so pretty. Oh my, I get you. Oh, I can't forget about you guys. I know. Oh, pretty. Don't run from me. Don't run from me. No.
Don't run from me. Don't run from me. You fucking run from me.
Shit. Fuck you, motherfucker. I'm just kidding. I fucking love you too. Don't worry. Oh, come away. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I just love my girls. Yeah. That's what I'm doing today. Yeah. Scared of the fucking dogs, eh? Man, scared of the fucking dogs. But, anyways, let's just get. Ooh. Oh, look at that sexy beast. Oh, brother? No, sister? His brother. That's what she gets all the handsome looks like. Hey, fuck you, shot. I'm just kidding. Oh, there's my little cousin too. Oh, thank you. How fake is that smile? Not just kidding. But anyways. Yeah, I'm just chilling, you know. I don't know what to do, but I decided to make a funny intro because I'm a crazy bastard, you know what I'm saying? So, anyways, guys. That's funny because I just picked up the camera without knowing what I was gonna film. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go edit this a little bit and then I'll be back with an actual video. It might be tomorrow, most likely, because I don't know what to film. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm just recording this clip real quick. What you're about to see is me doing like a full day of eating kind of, but like dieting made easy. I ate other stuff before that, like a couple protein bars, but that I ended up mentioning. What you're gonna see is just these two separate like meals that are just 2 meals, but you can actually eat really good foods and enjoy your diet, you know, your cutting diet. But the most important thing you want to do is make sure you just cook at home. Just cook at home. I mean, it's not quite as easy as it is just to go to McDonald's, grab a sandwich, excuse my dogs, but it is a lot healthier for you, and the better choices you make, the better you feel, and the better motivated, or the more motivated you can be. Also, dieting changes the mindset too, and staying really healthy. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna roll the clips, and yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this is about to wrap up the video, but first, before I go to bed, yes, I have my shirt off. Actually, I forgot to film because I got done hanging out with someone, and I decided to like go to bed, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta finish my video. So what I'm eating right now is it's a yogurt chocolate brownie thing. Here, I'll show you what the package looks like. Fudge brownie, it's called. These are 100 calories each, 5 grams of protein, and yeah, well, they're doing pretty good. And then I had this, it was 380 calories, 32 grams of protein. It was a Fit Crunch chocolate chip cookie dough protein bar. So and I ate that to finish it off, and I might have done a voiceover, I don't even know, because I didn't start editing yet. But yeah, hope you liked this video, and no further ado, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe first and foremost, turn notifications on so you get my videos and you know when I upload. And like this video, cover your thoughts at the very end, wherever you want to comment. Follow me on my social medias. So yeah, I love fitness, love the grind, love staying healthy, love staying fit, and love looking sexy as hell. So you know me, whatever, cocky son of a bitch over here. But with no further ado, I already said I hope you enjoyed this video, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. So no further ado, today's catching out. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Alright, that was a little crazy. Bravo!